Hello, this is a short video to show students assigned to a faculty advisor how to make an appointment for summer advising. This includes all continuing or returning students with more than 24 semester credit hours earned and transfer students with more than 24 semester credit hours earned. The first step is to go to www.columbiastate.edu/navigate. A link to navigate is also available in the Student tab of ChargerNet. We will scroll to the bottom and click on the student link. You can also download the app to your phone through the Google Play Store or the iTunes Store, the iApp Store. So we're going to log in with our school account, enter your PVT username and password, and once you log in, you'll come to this screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a little purple calendar with appointments. Click on the word appointments. You want to schedule an appointment, an advising appointment. Since you are a student with 24 or more earned credit hours, we will choose the second option. Now, what is your major? Humanities, Arts, and Social Sciences should choose the first option, or HOS students. Health Science majors, including nursing, rad tech, respiratory therapy, and others should choose the Health Students option. And finally, Science, Technology, and Mathematics should choose the STEM option. This also includes business fields. Let's just say I want to meet with a health advisor because I'm a nursing major. The next step is to choose a location. Since we are currently under COVID-19, we will be choosing virtual campus. I'm going to select all of my options because I want the first available or most convenient appointment. Notice during this week, none of the dates are highlighted. That means there are no availabilities. But if I click next week, you'll see that 21 is highlighted, or the 21st is highlighted in blue. That means there are available appointments. And then it wants you to say whether you want to come in the morning or afternoon. Let's say I'll choose the 10 o'clock. So it tells me the number to call if I have any questions. Please watch for an email with instructions on connecting at the scheduled time. And if I want to contact Dr. Smith, here's her email if I want to contact her in advance. I don't really need to contact her in advance, but I do want her to know that I prefer phone and can be reached at my phone number. And then I'm going to click Confirm Appointment. At this point, it will send both myself and Dr. Smith an email scheduling my appointment. And I'm done. Notice my new appointment shows up.